Today we are looking at mid-segments. So we're looking at two shapes. We're still going to look at triangles, but we're also going to look at a trapezoid. So first we'll look at the triangle, then we'll come back to a trapezoid. So our mid-segment is, here's our definition. So for triangles, in any triangle, a segment joining the midpoints of any two sides will be parallel to the third side and half its length. So our mid-segment will look like this. It'll be a line going across our triangle where these two pieces are the same and these two pieces here are the same. So then, if our mid-segment is X, this line across would be 2 times X. So whatever the line is in the middle, the one parallel across will be 2 times. So let's look at a couple examples. So in our first one, here we can see we have this mid-segment of Y. The bottom is 12. So this part right here will be half. So we know 2 times Y is equal to 12. So if we divide by 2, Y will end up getting us 6. Because here, 6 times 2 equals 12. Now in this triangle, there are more pieces happening. So here we still have mid-segments. Since this piece is 3 and this piece is 3, this piece is 5 and this piece is 5, here, when I go down, I can do 7 times 2, which will give me 14. Then, since these are both 3, the whole piece is 6, and this is 6. These are both 5, so the whole thing is 10, and this is 10. To go from 14 down to Y, I can do 14 times 2 equals 28. So here, my answers would be 14 is X, and here, 28 is Y. So if I go down, we want to do times 2. If we go up, we're going to divide by 2. So there's one more that's a little trickier. So here we have a lot of lines. So this says A, B, and C are midpoints. So I know that these are equal, these are equal, and these are equal. So let's see what else. If BC equals 3, so we're looking at BC, so I want to go from B to C, that will be 3, and then XY is 4M plus 10, so here, let's see, X all the way down to Y is 4M plus 10. This one's 3M. It asks us to find M and BC. And BC was the pink. So we know here that BC is across, so it is parallel to XY. So that means we know that BC times 2 will equal XY. So I can plug in what I know. I know BC is 3m times 2, and I know XY is 4m plus 10. So if we go to our calculator, I can go to math, up, enter, and the first one I've got 3m, I'm going to use x, times 2, and for E2 I've got 4m, I'm going to use x, plus 10. I can press enter, alpha graph, and here I get 5 point, I'm just going to put 5. So I know that m equals 5. And then it also asks for BC. So again, BC is this 3m. So I'm going to do 3m, or now 3 times 5, which will get me 15. So I can put that BC equals 15. That was a lot, I know. If you have questions, pause the video and please ask, because that was a lot of information. All right, and also we're going to look at the trapezoid. So this one, we're not going to do anything really long, but it is a little bit different. So with our trapezoid, if this is the midsegment of a trapezoid, is parallel to each base, and its length is half the sum of the lengths of the bases. This sounds weird. I promise it won't be that hard. So here, if I have my midsegment, again, I know that this side, these will be equal, and I know that these will be equal. So here, if we want to figure out the midsegment of x, if the top is 4 and the bottom is 6, what we would want to do is add the top and the bottom, so 4 plus 6, and then divide it by 2. So if I add 4 plus 6, we'll get 10, and 10 divided by 2 will leave us with 5. So it sounds like a lot, but all we do is bottom plus top, divide by 2. So we'll look at one more example of this. So here I have another trapezoid. So to start, I want to take the bottom, 24, and add it to the top, 16. And then we'll divide by 2. So 24 plus 16 will end up getting us 40, and then we divide by 2 to get 20. So in the end, x equals 20. I went a little fast through some parts, so if you have questions, please ask or watch the video again. All right?